Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to control nearby devices on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you want to control all other your devices like TV, MacBook and other like watch from your iPhone. So how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to proper Wi-Fi internet connection. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to setting, and here you have to click on general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network setting. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that both of your devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Now you have to make sure about that both are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Now what you have to do next is you have to simply go to setting. So in setting you have to look for the accessibility here. So in accessibility you will find many options like display text size, and you will find the option of control nearby devices. So here is the option available. So if you want to control near any of the devices, then you have to simply click on that, and after that we'll search for nearby devices, and after that if you find any of the device, then you can simply click on that, and after that that pop-up will appear on the device you want to control, and you have to simply click on OK, and after that you will be able to control that device from your iPhone without any problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.